Hello students, you are watching Kashyap tutorial and myself Prabhakar Acharya. Students, you are watching Sanskrit composite paper of 2023 March and this is the second video related to this paper. In very first video, I discussed with you, I showed you answer of Prathama Vibhaga and also I showed you how to write the answers. Now in this second video, I will discuss about the Dutiya Vibhaga and this Dutiya Vibhaga is of 14 marks. ये द्वितीय विभाग जो गद्य बेसिस पे होता है स्टोरी और डायलॉग्स बेसिस पे होता है और ये 14 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन होता है सो वंस अगेन बिफोर स्टार्टिंग आई टेल यू you should start writing this question answers this द्वितीय विभाग you should start with fresh paper दैट मीन्स कि आपने जो पेज पे प्रथमा विभाग कंप्लीट किया उसी पे आप ये मत स्टार्ट करो आपको न्यू पेज से द्वितीय विभाग स्टार्ट करना है एंड जस्ट मेंशन अबव द्वितीय विभाग क्लियरली एंड डोंट राइट पैसेज डोंट कॉपी पैसेज बट राइट ऑन आंसर ओनली राइट जस्ट प्रश्न संख्या टू अ गद्यांशं पठित्वा निर्दिष्टाः कृतिः कुरुत आई शो यू गद्यांशं पठित्वा निर्दिष्टाः कृतिः कुरुत राइट सो लेट्स स्टार्ट हमें फर्स्ट क्या करना है तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू रीड पैराग्राफ केयरफुली हमें पैराग्राफ पहले रीड कर लेना चाहिए इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड है उसको अंडरलाइन कर लेना चाहिए सो लेट्स स्टार्ट सो द क्वेश्चन इज गद्यांशं पठित्वा निर्दिष्टाः कृतिः कुरुत दैट मीन्स रीड द पैसेज एंड डू राइट द आंसर्स गिवन और अकॉर्डिंग टू इंस्ट्रक्शंस so this is from second chapter Vyasne Mitra Pariksha and the passage is Asti ekam champakam nam aranyam. So in this very first line you can see champakam is the name of forest. So important word. Aranye chitrango nam mrugaha ekaksho nam kakascha snehen nivasatasma. Jasi nivasatasma means aranye. So two एनिमल्स वन बर्ड एंड वन एनिमल चित्रांगो नाम मृग मृग का नाम चित्रांग है और एकाक्ष इज द नेम ऑफ काकश्च निवसति निवसतः स्म एकदा चित्रांग वने भ्रमण केनापि शृगालेन अवलोकितः सो हियर द डायलॉग मीन्स द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द शृगाल फॉक्स is given here has been given here क्षुद्र बुद्धि नाम सह शृगाल स्वार्थ हेतुना मृगेन सह मित्रताम ऐच्छत तो शृगालस नेम इज क्षुद्र बुद्धि अगेन मृग नाम इज चित्रांग क्रो नेम इज काक नेम इज एकाक्ष एंड शृगालस्य नाम अस्ति क्षुद्र बुद्धि देन शृगाल स्वार्थ हेतुना मृगेन सह मित्रताम ऐच्छत हियर इज द पर्पज व्हाई जैकल wanted to have friendship with deer so here is it is given swartha hetuna then astangate savitari क्षुद्र बुद्धि मृगेन सह मृगस्य निवास स्थानम गता so astangate means it is related about the time when अगर आता है कदा तो इसका उत्तर आएगा astangate savitari मृग शृगालो दृष्ट्वा दृष्ट्वा इस्त्वान्तव्य फम काको अवदत् सखे सखे चित्रांग को अयम द्वितीय मृग अब्रूत जम्बुको अयम मृग अब्रूत जम्बुको अयम अस्मत् सख्यम इच्छति सो कह कम पद्धति में ये सेंटेंस आ सकता है मृग अब्रूत जम्बुको अयम सो दिस मृग काकम वदति ये इसका उत्तर आएगा अस्मत् सख्यम इच्छति काका उपादेशत अकस्मात आगंतुना सह मित्रता न युक्ता तद आकर्ण सो हियर इज लेवंतव्य आकर्ण्य इट इज आकर्ण्य सो संधि विच्छेद करके ही लिखना जम्बुका सकोपम आह मृगस्य प्रथम दर्शने भवान अपि अपरिचितः एव आसीत् यथा अयं मृगः मम बन्धु तथा भवान अपि मृगः अब्रवीत् अलम विवादेन वयम सर्वे आनंदेन एकत्र निवसामः काकेन उक्तम एवमस्तु so this is the paragraph so while you are reading paragraph just underline important word with pencil or pen and then so that make you easier to write the answer to find the answer so see the first sentence is first question is उचितम कारणम चित्वा वाक्यम पुनर्लिखत फाइंडिंग द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस रीजन एंड रीराइट द सेंटेंस। यहाँ पे दिया है सेंटेंस वापस लिखना है, उचितम कारणम चित्वा वाक्यम पुनर्लिखित। वाक्यम इज अ सेंटेंस, पुनर्लिखितम इज रीराइट। सो योर आंसर शुड बी लाइक दिस वे। मैंने यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी आंसर लिख के रखा है। योर आंसर शुड बी लाइक दिस वे इन अ कंप्लीट सेंटेंस। शृगालः मृगेन सह सख्यम इच्छति यतः शृगालः मृगमांसम खादितुम इच्छति, जो कि यहाँ पे दिया है। नो नीड टू राइट नंबर, just write answer like this when you complete sentence. Got? Now come to second. So number लिख लिया, अवबोधनम, don't write this word, don't write marks, just write k and then answer. K उचितम कारणम. If you have time, then copy this question and then write answer only. No need to write the questions again. Then kah kam vadati, who said to whom. Again write kah kam vadati and then copy the sentence. Akasmat agantuna sah mitrata na yukta. You will see in the paragraph in the dialogue. So it is said by the crow. Akasmat agantuna sah mitrata na yukta. So here this sentence is, and this is said by Kaka. Kaka upadisat, or whom he said. So this is he said to deer. So इसका आंसर आएगा लाइक दिस वे। यू हैव टू राइट सेंटेंस एंड देन राइट इदम वाक्यम काकः मृगम वदति। आपका आंसर ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, इदम वाक्यम काकः मृगम वदति। ये कंप्लीट आंसर आपको होना चाहिए, और राइट सेंटेंस एंड देन राइट इट। देन पूर्ण वाक्येन उत्तरम लिखत। रीराइट द मीन्स पूर्ण वाक्य मीन्स राइट द आंसर इन कंप्लीट सेंटेंस। पूर्ण वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए। अरण्ये कौ निवसतः। कौ दैट मीन्स टू ओनली, इट इज नॉट अबाउट द थ्री, but yet kau kah kau, if you remember kim table in pulling, so kau is in dvivachan of prathama, so that means two only. So in the very first or second first line, that is aranye, aranye chitrango नाम मृगः एकाक्षो नाम काकश्च स्नेहेन निवसतस्म। अगर आपने ये सेंटेंस भी उठा कर लिख दिया, then also your answer is correct. और लाइक दिस वे, अरण्य चित्रांगो नाम मृगः एकाक्षो नाम काकः च निवसतस्म। आपका आंसर ऐसे होना चाहिए। दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ these are the answer of first three questions based on avbodhanam from the passage. Now shabd gyanam, again write question number 2, art 2 and shabd gyanam वहाँ पे mention करो, that start writing answer. यरिच गद्यांशात द्वे प्रथमा विभक्त्यंत पदे चित्वा लिखत। प्रथमा विभक्ति forms you have to find from the passage. So any two प्रथमा विभक्ति. So you can see I have written so many. So आपको दो कम से कम लिखना चाहिए. तो चंपकम, अरण्यम, मृगः, काका etc. words are given in प्रथमा विभक्ति. So your answer should be like this way. No need to write in a sentence. मैंने सेंटेंस में लिखा है, बट आप ऐसे भी आंसर लिखोगे तब भी चलेगा. कोई दो वर्ड आपको लिखना है. कंपल्सरी यू हैव टू राइट टू वर्ड्स व्हेन इट इज त्वांत लेबंत मंतव्य और विभक्ति बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. यू हैव टू फाइंड टू फॉर्म्स. आपको याद रखना है, दो आंसर लिखना है. Now come to ख. गद्यांशात विशेषण विशेषयोः मेलनम मेलनम कुरुत. गद्यांशात means from the passage. विशेषण means adjective and विशेषयोः means substantive और noun basis you have to match. So answer should be like this way. आपका आंसर ऐसे होना चाहिए. Write in the middle, copy the main question, then write in the middle. From here start. No need to draw the box, or you can draw box, it depends you. And then write Brahman dash chitrangah, and the second is astang. Brahman chitranga, this is the answer. Brahman, and its answer is chitranga, but your answer should be in a sentence. Astangate savitari. Astangate is in saptami ekvajan, savitari is in saptami ekvajan. Then again purpadam uttarpadam likha tha, means write either purpad or uttarpad as per required. So here is given संधि वर्ड इज केन आपी. सो केन दिया हुआ है, so means we have to write उत्तर पर. So केन अधिक अपी, so it is दीर्घ संधि word. So o plus o is equal to a, so केन अधिक अपी. Your answer to be like this way and underline करो. And second word is jambuko ayam. So second means उत्तर पद दिया है, you have to write first word. So whenever this sign you see in the word, तो पहले s वाला को o में कन्वर्ट करो, that is written here, और ये o की मात्रा है वो विसर्ग हो जाएगा. So your answer should be, your answer will be जम्बुकः. सेम स्पेलिंग you have to write, बस just o की मात्रा को विसर्ग में कन्वर्ट करो. So this is the answer of संधि विच्छेद. So again I am repeating this question. Trayata dve, so any two out of three you have to write here, but again I suggest write all three answers. Now come to गद्यांशं पठित्वा निर्दिष्टाकृतिः कुरुत. So that is second passage, means whether it is dialogue or passage based questions. So this is from the chapter Sa Eva Parmanu. First read passage dialogues carefully, underline important word and then try to write the answer. So Arnabah Japa Kusumam Grihitva Pravishati. So Grihitva is the antavya form. Tasya pita Vijnanasya Pradhyapaka. So his father is science professor. So his father information is given here. Sah Pustak Patne Magna. Sah means his father is engrossed in reading book. Tasya Parshve Utpichikayam Sukshmekshikaya Vartate. So then Arnava Pitah Asmakam Udyanat Japakusmam Anitam Maya. So see, from his garden he brought Japakusmam, that is flower. कियंत सूक्ष्माः तस्य परागकणाः. So परागकणाः का विशेषण है सूक्ष्माः. पिता सूक्ष्मेक्षिकया पश्य, सी थ्रू माइक्रोस्कोप. तेषां कणानां रचनाम् अपि द्रष्टुं शक्नोषि. So this is तुमन्तव्य. एक त्वान्त आया, ये तुमन्तव्य आया. अर्णवः तथा करोति. Then father asks, किं दृष्टं त्वया? What did you see? Then अर्णवः पितः अद्भुतम् एतत्. अत्र परागकणस्य सूक्ष्मानि अंगानि दृश्यते. सो अंगानि का विशेषण है सूक्ष्मानि. पिता अर्णव एतानि पुष्पस्य अंगानि त्वं सूक्ष्मेक्षिकया द्रष्टुं शक्नोषि. सो दिस इज आल्सो तुमन्तव्य फॉर्म. परंतु एतद् विश्वं परमाणुभ्यः निर्मितम्. सो दिस इज हाउ दिस वर्ल्ड यूनिवर्स इज मेड. सो हियर इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन. ते परमाणवः तु सूक्ष्मेक्षिकया अपि न दृश्यन्ते. Then Arnav asks, Parmanu naam kim? What is atom? Pita, astu kathayami. Let me tell you. Mushti matran tandulan mahanasta aniya. So remember this sentence. His father said, bring rice grains from kitchen. Kitchen से rice grains लाने के लिए कहते हैं. That is also important. Then Arnava, tathe uktva. Uktva is twantavya form. Pakagruhat tandulan anayati. So saying, all right, he brings rice grains from the kitchen and he said, swikarotu tata. Take, oh father, take it. So ये है. यहाँ पे त्वांतव्य का दो फॉर्म है. सो डेफिनेटली त्वांतव्य आना चाहिए. गृहीत्वा. तुमंतव्य भी दो है, बट तुमंतव्य आर सेम फॉर्म रिपीटेड, सो ये नहीं आ सकता. नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन. राइट डाउन मेन अवबोधनम and again tritah dve, so that is 2 out of 3 you have to write. And main questions write over there. Uchitam paryayam chitta vakyam punarlikhata. May choose the correct options and rewrite the sentence. So sentence, your answer should be like this way. Uttaram. Then write etad vishwam paramanubhya nirmitam. So etad vishwam paramanubhya nirmitam. Just write the answer like this way. Put either in the box or underline it. आपका आंसर ऐसे होना चाहिए. I show you one thing in the passage, in the dialogues. So his father said, परमाणुभ्य परवंतु एतद् विश्वम परमाणुभ्य निमित्तम. यहाँ पे दिया हुआ भी है. So यही वर्ड यहाँ पे रिपीट किया. You can see the dialogue and you can find correct answers. Now second is अर्णवः उद्यानात् जपा कुसुमं गृहीत्वा प्रविशति. He enters having the hibiscus flower taken from his garden. So यहाँ पे आएगा जपा कुसुमम गृहीत्वा. So again put in the box or underline करो and write answer in the complete sentence. So ये आंसर आपका हो गया. Then ख वाक्यम पुनर्लिखित्वा सत्यम असत्यम लिखता. So rewrite the sentence and state whether it is satyam or satyam. So answer should be, after writing this sentence, you copy this sentence from the question paramanava sukshmekshikaya drishyante. So ये sentence according to dialogue. तो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है परमाणु ते परमाणव तु सूक्ष्मेक्षिकया अपि न दृश्यन्ते. इट इज सेड न दृश्यन्ते, बट यहाँ पे दिया है दृश्यन्ते. सो दैट इज इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस. सो पहले ये सेंटेंस लिखो एंड देन राइट असत्यम. असत्यम में म हलंत करना है like this way. So write asत्यम. Now this question is एषः गद्यांशः कस्मात् पाठात् उद्धृतः. From where this dialogue, this passage approach is taken. So आपको आंसर, आपका आंसर ऐसे होना चाहिए. Write in the complete sentence. your answer should be Eshaha, already given in the question, so you can copy from there. Esha Gadyanshaha, Esha Gadyanshaha, स एव परमाणु परमाणु क्लोज करो इन्वर्टेड कॉमा इत्यस्मात् इत्यस्मात् पाठात् उद्धृत and while writing उद्धृत so put there the halant first, like write like this way uddhritah. So write like this way. If you don't know the spelling of ityasmat, so just write esha gadyansa sa a parmanu pathat. फिर इत्यस्मात नहीं भी लिखोगे, ये word नहीं भी लिखोगे, then also you will get full marks. So your answer should be in full complete sentence. अगर आपने लिखा sa a parmanu, then it depends on the examiner whether you will get full marks or not. So these are the three questions based on abodhanam. Now shabd प्रवाही जालम पूरयत. तो प्रवाही जालम पूर्यतम मीन्स क्या क्या करता है, तो क्या क्या फर्स्ट ऑर्डर वाइज यू हैव टू सेट द सेंटेंस in the box. So you have to draw this diagram, this box in the same way, and then write the answer like this way. So Arnabah Japa Kusumam Grihitva Pravishati, taking the hibiscus flower, he enters. Then Sukshmekshikaya Pashyati, seeing from through the microscope. Parmanu Vishya Pruchati, he is asking about the, inquiring about the atom. And then Tandulan Aniyati, ये already दिया हुआ है, you can see this, it is given in the box, you have to choose correct option from the based on the dialogues, and then you have to write it here, like this way, in this way, after drawing it. So आपका आंसर ऐसे होना चाहिए, but first find out here, then you come to know कि how the answer is. First is जपा कुसुमम गृहीत्वा प्रविशति, if you'll see here it is given जपा कुसुमम गृहीत्वा is a very first sentence, so ये पहले में आया. Then सूक्ष्मेक्षिकया पश्यति, इफ विल सी फ्रॉम वेयर सूक्ष्मेक्षिकया द्रष्टुम शक्नोसि, तो सूक्ष्मेक्षिकया अपि न दृश्यन्ते, इट मीन्स हियर इट इज के सूक्ष्मेक्षया तस्य परागकणाः अर्णवः कियन्तः सूक्ष्मः, सो हि सूक्ष्मेक्षया वर्तते, तस्य पार्श्वे उत्पीठिकायां सूक्ष्मेक्षिकया वर्तते, तस्य पिता अस्माकम् उद्यानात् जपाकुसुमम् आनीतं मया, ही सेड पिता, कियन्तः सूक्ष्मः तस्य परागकणाः, सो सूक्ष्मेक्षिकया पश्य फादर सेड हियर, and Rajnavi Dashnu. So Arnava Tatha Karoti, that means he perceived, he saw through microscope. So ये second sentence में आएगा. Then next one is Parmanu Vishya Prichati. After that he asked Parmanu नाम किम. So यहाँ पे ये पूछा है, तो this is the third number. And then Tandulan Anayati, his father said bring rice against here. So you can say sequence wise ये लिखा. So your answer should be like this. So these are the questions based on the passage and dialogues. Now come to translation. Here it is given question number 2E. Gadyansam patitva sarlartham likhata. Read the dialogues and write simple meaning. It is not asking to write translation but simple meaning. And this is of 4 marks, and dvitaha ekam, that means 1 out of 2 you have to write. But if you have time, you must write both the dialogues. You must write translation of both dialogues. And how to start, first write first word of this and then write last word, and then your answer should be like this way. So sentence is वैखानसा, कैरेक्टर आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, एंड दुष्यंत देवनागरी लिपि में भी लिख सकते हो. देन राजानाम अवरुद्ध्य, राजन आश्रम मृगोयम न हंतव्य, आसु प्रतिसंग्रह सायगम, राज्ञां शस्त्रम आर्तत्राणाय भवति न तु अनागसी प्रहर्तुम, दुष्यंत प्रतिसंहृत एषा सायगा यथोक्तम करोति. Now see the translation. Is a translation is I show you translation of this. So it's a translation is Vaikhanas obstructing the king. O king, this is hermitage deer, it must not be slayed. Please take back the arrow quickly. King's weapon is meant for protection of distressed and not for killing innocent. Dushyant, this arrow is withdrawn. Follows what is said. So this is the translation of this first dialogue. Now I show you second dialogue. So this is the second dialogue, that is from Nadi Pujanam. So again I suggest write first one and last one, then write translation, and your translation should be like this way. Audience, Shotrubindam is audience. Why? For river adoration. For what reasons? For what reasons? should we worship rivers? We should worship rivers. So for what reason should we worship rivers? Then the narrator, Kirtan Karam is narrator. River is indeed life donor. Jivan means water or life. That whether you are writing in the bracket or not, but just write down. Rivers is indeed life donor. One mistake is there. Let me correct. So the translation will be rivers are indeed life donor. Jivan means water, life. Therefore, people float oil lamps on river water to express their indebtedness to rivers, indebtedness, or we can say obligation to rivers. On this occasion, they lit leaf cup wick lamps and offer to river current. So this is the translation of this Shrotrubinda, this is a dialogue of Nadish Suktam. Now come to Madhyam Bhasha. माध्यम भाषा इस माध्यम भाषया उत्तरम लिखा था तो अगेन राइट क्वेश्चन नंबर प्रश्न संख्या 2 दैट इज प्रश्न संख्या 2 एंड देन ई माध्यम भाषया उत्तरम लिखा था सो द्वितः एकम दैट मीन्स वन आउट ऑफ टू यू हैव टू राइट सो क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट चैप्टर आद्य कृषिक पृथ्व्यन्य धरित्रायाः उपदेशं मनसि निधाय पृथ्व्यन्य किं किम् अकरोत् सो व्हाट डिड द King Prithu did do after listening the advice of Prithvi, after the listening of advice of Mother Earth. So its answer is your first right introduction. This question is taken from the chapter Adya Krushika Prithvanyah. Adya Krushika Prithvanya is the legend that reveals the history of Prithvanya's initiation of agricultural work and civilization. So this is introduction. You can write short introduction and then your answers will be separately written like this way. The king obstructed the river's path for agricultural work. He stored the rainwater and did the water management. He took special efforts to make the land fertile. Afterwards, people sowed the seeds of grains. The king gathered varied seeds, refined it, and sowed with efforts. After the rains, the sprouts were germinated, and all subjects became happy by the gain of grains. So this is the answer of this first question. So दरिद्र है उसका आंसर ऐसे लिखना है and this should be clearly mentioned first introduction in the very first and then write answer like this way. Now come to second question. Second question is Shakrasya Kapatam Vishadikuruta means explain the deceitfulness or the conspiracy of Lord Indra. So its answer will be again starting with the introduction. Karnabharam written by the preliminary Sanskrit dramatist Bhas is a tragedy filled with act play based on Mahabharata story. The dialogue between Shakra, that is Indra, and Karna, portrayed by Bhas, takes Karna's magnanimity to its peak. So this is introduction. Now the answer is here. Lord Indra disguised himself as a seeker, asked for superior arms to Karna. Indra rejects the arms in the form of 1,000 cows, unlimited gold, even the conquered earth, Karna's head. At the end, when Karna talks about giving away the guards of his life, his Kavach Kundal, Shakra immediately accepts it. Shakra wanted Kavach Kundal itself because due to its effect he could have been immortal and could have killed Arjun. Shakra knew the generous nature of Karna, hence he pursued Karna's words till he was ready to give Kavach Kundal. Thus, Indra cunningly takes away the divine Kavach Kundal as plotted by Sri Krishna. So this is the answer of Shakrasya Kapatam Vishadi Kuruta. आपका आंसर इसी तरह से होना चाहिए. So this was the answers. These are the answers of द्वितीय विभाग of 2023 board paper of composite. So I hope you understood. You do practice this way. You write and you also write the answer like this way. And very soon I'm going to upload a third video that will be Tritiya Vibhaga related question answers. So keep on watching, do writing practice, do revision work, and that is only the way to get the good full marks. So thank you for watching my video.